link in the description box. Number 2 is AnkerMake M5 3D printer. The AnkerMake M5 3D printer is an optimistic game-changer when printing Glock frames. With its upgraded 500 mm per second speed, the PowerBoost 2.0 unleashes a new level of printing power, allowing you to double your printing speed without compromising quality. It's like strapping a rocket to your creativity. But speed is just the beginning. The M5 takes precision to a new level with its precise 0.1 mm detail capability. Thanks to its ultra-direct extruder and die-cast aluminum alloy structure, you can expect flawless prints every time. The stability and quality are unwavering, even when you're pushing the limits of speed. Were you worried about errors? Fear not! The M5's intelligent error detection system has your back. It calculates a foolproof printing plan and uses its integrated camera to ensure your prints match your design flawlessly. And let's remember the convenience of remote control. Whether you're struck by a moment of inspiration in your garage or halfway across the world, the AnkerMake app, AnkerMake Slicer, and even Alexa have got you covered. Your prints are just a few taps away, no matter where you are. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it.